Okay, in terms of doing assessment task 2, which is the PowerPoint, I'm going to use some of my Glasgow slides for this. And I'm going to do this in one kind of sitting almost, because it's not as intricate as the Microsoft Word one, or as detailed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my document, open up PowerPoint, you'll see it there. Again, you can type it in if you want. So PowerPoint opens up. I'm just going to go with a blank presentation. And it's going to be Glasgow, and I'm just going to put my name in. Now, I've got to have 6 slides in this, so what I'm going to do firstly is I'm going to go to my layout of this slide. So that's a title slide, so that's okay. It's a wee bit dull looking, but I'll revisit that later on. I'm going to put a new slide in. I'm going to try and go for like a 2 content page in here. So if I get my report up, go back up and see what my introduction was. So I've got introduction and a wee bit of text there. So I'm just going to take this and go into PowerPoint and I'm just going to add text. Now that's a lot of text for a slide. Okay, slides work better with bullet points. So what I'm going to do here is take wee bits of pieces out. I'll take that bit out there. Glasgow is a vibrant and diverse city, that's fine. New point there. Cities along fascinating, date back thousands of years. Now I'm going to take that bit out there and put in a third one. It is arguably the most important city in Scotland. Now in here what I can do is add text, but you'll see there's other icons here. So I could set online pictures or pictures. I'll try online pictures, but again I think this might not work. Again, online pictures is blocked. So what I'm going to do is go to insert pictures, and I'm just going to go into assessments for demo and use my same picture in there and put it in there. Now again I can resize that, bring it down a wee bit and bring it into size, and I'm just going to call that introduction. Okay, so that is the half and half slide. I can put in another new slide for the next slide, and I'll just put in a blank one. No, actually that's more what I need to do. So if I want to take a slide out, I'll right click on it and delete the slide. I will put in here, I'll go for 2 title and content in this one. So the next one I'm going to do, I'm just going to do one on the prehistoric. So again, I'm just going to copy that and paste it in there. Now prehistoric is going to be the title of the slide, and I'll take that out. Okay, and again I'll just break it down and make it a bit more readable. So that's probably as much text as I would want in this slide. So I'm going to go with this as a 3. I don't think you particularly want to sit and watch me do a 6 slide presentation. I'll show you a couple of things that we can do with it. So if I go to design, you'll see that we can use some of these designs here. Now you've got schemes and colour schemes and different settings. Let's go with this one here. Right, so I'm just picking that one out, and what you'll see is it changes every slide to have the same look to it. Transitions, you've seen some slides where you get transitions, so what I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to put in random bars. So when we go from one slide to the next, if I put on the preview button, which is down here, that's got another slide in my, because I've got different monitors on it, it's by defaulted on another slide. Right, I'll try. Let's see if I can put a preview of it without it. You might have to take my word for it because it's using the other monitor and I can't capture that. So you can put on animations. Now you'll see there's a wee star on there, that means that the animation's there. I can click on that and that plays it. Now if you don't like your animations, you can go back on here. I'm just going to try and stop my slideshow. Okay. I'll go for begin. Let's go. Transitions. Now, if I don't like that, I can go to reveal and change my slide and click the animation. And you'll see it kind of reveals in and out. You can just wipe. You've got the different settings in there as well. In terms of animations, you can click on an element of the screen and get it to come in, and you'll see it comes in like that. So what you're looking to do is nice fonts, nice setup, and I would put in an animation and a transition into it. I wouldn't overdo them because they can get a wee bit tedious if you're sitting watching this presentation with loads. If you think you don't like the design, click on another one and you'll see it comes in totally differently. Always double check. The reason I wouldn't like that one is it's all capital letters. So that one looks alright as well. And you can go through there. Okay, so that's how you do a slideshow. I've put in an extra couple of things with transitions and animations in there as well.